we have here 1.0 grams of vanadium, pure metal, and around 2.7 grams of sodium hydroxide. Should put the hydroxide next to the vanadium. So grab a tool. Should grab this. So we have here this lovely gunk on the bottom, and we are going to try to dissolve the shit. So I'm just going to add some water. Sodium hydroxide just really edged, oh sorry, so basically where the sodium hydroxide just edged the actual pot, so there we have a better focus. Yes, so yes, probably would be worth to invest into a nickel crucible, because it is probably far more cleaner and easier to clean it out. This is just an 8. I think I have done like 5 or 6 cleaning runs with water. This here, ladies and gentlemen, it is like ammonium chloride dissolved in like 25 grams of water. So this is like above, it's like 47 milliliters. Let's add this shit. There should be a ion exchange happen. It takes about 3 hours to precipitate out, plus it needs to be like cold. So yes, is it in the camera? Yes. So yes, as you can see here, it is already on the side precipitating out. So I think that's it. I have 4 more tries of this in terms of vanadium. So 4 more grams of vanadium, and I'm going to buy that crucible. These white bits are like floating on top. I don't know if the camera is, yeah, it is visible here on the edge, and it is like getting cloudy and more falling out. And one extra note, I just added a small bit of water that is cold, and as you can see, it's like, you missed it, but I just turned off the camera. Like, I just washed this funnel that had the like unsoluble shit filtering through. I've just washed it into this like mason jar, and as you can see, this reaction chamber got just pretty white. It's like snowflakes floating around in there. It's just basically getting to pretty precipitate out. I'm not going to add more water. Look at this, like snowflakes in a lovely orangish, like in whiskey. I can make infused rock wool with this. I can heat that up, and I can use that for, as I heat it up, it converts into vanadium pentoxide. The vanadium pentoxide is going to stay on the rock wool in theory, and it is going to be a high surface catalyst. 2 days later, we have here this beautiful, as I said, brandy looking shit. We have this sediment on the bottom. We are gonna filter this with this broke boy top of the PET bottle cut-off filter combo. We have here some, this is not actually sponsored by this lovely Jägermeister, but this is just brandy ethanol. I think it is like 50%. Some water in the bottom of this to wash it. So I'm just going to pour this into this, just cap off the filtrate, just put it away, use another piece of filter paper. I'm just going to add some ethanol basically into the not to the solid shit, but to the liquid shit. Hopefully that's gonna precipitate out more of this white gunk, and we're gonna left with some more end product basically. After like a long time, I have filtered this gunk off. Now I'm going to add some ethanol in there, and let's see what it happens. Good old brandy. Let's go. I'm just gonna add like, I don't know, so this much, maybe a bit more. How much is this? I think that's like 100 ml. That's gonna add a shit ton of this. So after filtering, unfortunately I didn't really record that, but I got this brownish gunk, white one, the original shit, 0.6 grams, dried. Let's measure this. How much does it weigh? I'm not going to like 0.8. That's 0.3 grams of this gunk. This is basically the shit after that has precipitated out after the addition of the ethanol. This is the extra stuff. I don't know what this is actually, because this doesn't look like the other stuff. 0.6 plus 0.3, that's almost a gram worth of stuff. On the other hand, I don't know what this is. Probably like pentoxide, or I don't know. I'm just gonna test it out.